Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by diagnosing the problem with methodical checks and simple tests. Check your internet connection first and test with a 5 MB image. Try loading photos on another device to isolate the issue to one system. Clear the app cache or browser cache and then restart the app or browser. Check storage space on device. Ensure at least 500 MB free for temporary files. Confirm account limits and quotas like 15,000 photo or 25% usage caps. If photos are stored on external drives, verify the drive is mounted and accessible. Update your photo app or browser to the latest version before further troubleshooting. Reauthorize account access if prompted to refresh tokens and restore permissions. Resize or re-export very large images above 20 MB to improve load reliability. Convert unsupported formats like HEIC to JPEG for broader compatibility on older systems. Disable browser extensions that block scripts, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. Try a private browsing window or a different browser to rule out profile corruption. If issues persist, collect logs and screenshots, then contact support with details. Maintain regular backups using Cloud Sync or local backups to prevent permanent loss. Monitor storage thresholds and set alerts at 85% capacity to avoid failures. Use photo management tools that show file integrity and repair corrupted thumbnails. Regularly test restores by opening 1 to 3 files from backups to confirm integrity. Label and organize folders with dates and event names for quicker troubleshooting later. Keep firmware and drivers updated for cameras and external drives to improve compatibility. If you cannot recover photos, consider professional recovery services before wiping drives.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.